Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your Pinterest feed history. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pinterest.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pinterest website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your credentials and you will be logged in to your account and taken into the home page. Now from the home page, if you wish to view your feed history, then click on the drop-down menu at the top right corner. Now from this menu, click on Settings, which will take you into the settings page. Now within the left menu, click on Tune Your Home Feed, and now you will be able to see your activities. Within this activity, you will see all of the feed history that you have checked on your Pinterest account. By default, all of these will be checked, and based on these, the further recommendations will be made onto your home feed for your account. If you wish to turn some of them off, you can simply click on the checkbox at the bottom right corner of each pin or feed and it will remove the recommendation for this pin. You can also click on Turn Off All in order to turn off all recommendations from these pins onto your feed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to view your history on Pinterest. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.